welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to do the Myron Tik Tok Dance, which is very popular and also very requested. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now, let's get started. So this video is weird, so it's a lot easier for you to follow, and now let's go. And also, many people do this dance differently, but this is Charlie D'Amelio's version. So, let's go. The first thing we're going to do is 1, 2. I know it's the most basic thing, but we're going to go 1, 2, so like this. And here comes like the fastest part. So, let me just come close to you guys so that you see everything. So basically it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I know it looks weird, but fast it's gonna be like this. 1, 2, like that. So 1, 2, like this. So just practice it slowly. 1, 2, and then faster. And that's it, you'll get it. So let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it says hockey. So we have to pretend we have a hockey stick here, and we're going like this. Just pretend. So we're gonna go like this. 1, like this, or pretend we are digging something like that. So 1, like that. So let's start from the very beginning. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. So after we do this, we're gonna go 1, 2. So first we're gonna cross our arms. Any hand can be above the other. Do it how it's easier for you. And then we're gonna switch. So 1, 2, and then we're gonna go 3, like this. So we're just sliding like this. 1, 2, slide. Once again, 1, 2, slide. So let's start from the very beginning. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then switch, switch, side. Once again from the beginning, and we'll go on. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, cross, switch, slide. Okay, so after this we're gonna go again, cross, switch, and then we're gonna go like this, as if we were saying stop. And then we're gonna go 2, like this. So let's do it from the very beginning, and then the last move I'm gonna show you how to do that. So let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then remember, cross, switch, slide, cross, switch, stop, and now we're gonna do this thing. So to do this first, our left hand is in front of us, bent like this. The other one goes up, and then it goes down like this. So 1, 2, like that. 1, 2. And then for our legs, we're gonna go 1, 2. So basically, when our hands go down, we're gonna bend our legs like that. And then our left leg, we're gonna lift it like this. So I know it looks weird, but it's like this. 1. So basically, all together from cross, switch, stop, it's gonna be like this. Cross, switch, stop, 2, like that. So let's start from the very beginning, slowly. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, cross, switch, slide, cross, switch, stop, 2. Okay, so after this, we don't have much left. This dance is very easy. So after this, we're gonna go 1, 2. So our hands are in fists, and we're gonna cross, uncross. Once again, cross and cross. Once again, cross and cross. So then we're gonna go like this. Just pretend you are slapping your own face, but without actually slapping it. So like this, 1, and then 2, like that. So to do this, one hand is over here, as if we were standing like this, right? So we're here, and then the other one does a circle, and then we're gonna do step like this. So 1. So let's do it from the very beginning, and then I'm gonna explain the last move more detailed. So let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. cross, across, switch, cross, cross, stop, 2, 1, 2, slap, like this, and then to do this also, we're gonna do a circle with our right hand, but we're also gonna do a step like this. So we're gonna stand on our left leg, and then the other leg goes like this. So step, and then it slides like this. So step, slide. Once again, step, slide. So let's start from the very beginning. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cross, cross, slide, cross, cross, stop, 2, and now 1, 2, slap, 2, like this. So that's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, comment what dances you want me to do next,